Welcome to SPSC online classes, and I am your maths teacher Shumaila Imtiaz, and today I will tell you about the assignment number 3 of grade 8. So first beta, as I told you about the matrices in the previous lecture, that the matrices is the rectangular array in which the numbers are element arranged in row and column. Let's suppose 3 2 1 6 2 1 0 1 0. So this form is called the matrices form, and the matrices will always represent by the capital letter A, B, C, or so on. Fine. Okay, and in this lecture they are saying that how we can add and subtract two different matrices. So first I will tell you about the additions, that how we can add two different matrices. So addition. So better keep in mind that we can add two different matrices if, let's suppose the matrices of A is 2 3 0 1 0 6. This is the matrix of A, and the matrices of B is -2 1 3 2 1 4 and 3. These are the two different matrices. First, write the order of these matrices. What will be the order of this? How many rows are here? 2. And how many columns are here? 3. So it means 2 multiply 3. And check it. How many rows are here? 1, 2. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3. So what will be the answer? 2 multiply 3. It means the order of these two matrices are same. Then we can add these two matrices. So add A plus B. So first we will write the matrices of A 2 1 3 0 0 6, and then write down the matrices of B. Write down plus sign, because they are saying that add A plus B, matrix of A and matrix of B. -2 1 3 2 4 and 3. So how we can add? The numbers inside the matrices are called the elements. So first element will add the first element of the first matrices, will add the first element of the second matrices, and then second element of the first matrices will add the second element of the second matrices, and so on. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus, and then write down in bracket, because 2 have already one sign, -2, and then 3 plus 3, then 0 plus 4, one plus 1, 0 plus 2, 6 plus 3. Okay, 2, open the bracket, plus minus, -3 plus 3, 6, 0 plus 4, 4, 1 plus 1, 2, 0 plus 2, 2, 6 plus 3, 9. And then 2 minus 2, the answer will 0, 6, 4, 2, 2 and 9. This is the matrix of the addition of two different matrices is equal to 0, 6, 4, 6, 4 and 2, 2, 9. Understood better? Okay. I will tell you about the subtraction, that how we can subtract two different matrices. Okay, let's suppose a matrix A matrix is 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 0, and another matrix B is 0, 2, 2, minus 1, 4 and 3. So how we can subtract these two matrices? Let's suppose they are saying that subtract A minus B. So how we can subtract it? First we will write the matrix of A. And then write down the minus sign, and then matrix of B. The matrix of B is 0, 2, 2. The procedure will say the first element of the first matrix and the minus sign, and then write down the first element of the second matrix. 2 minus 0, and then second element will subtract from the second one. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 1 minus, and then minus 1, write down in bracket. 5 minus 4, then 0 minus 3. 2 minus 0, the answer is 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus minus, open the bracket. The sign will change. 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 0 minus 3, minus 3. And then 2, 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 and minus 1. This is the final answer. Okay beta, we have already done the addition and subtraction of different matrices, that how we can add and subtract two different matrices. So do the practice at home beta. Okay, now we will solve the commutative and associative law. First I will tell you about the commutative law. Okay, beta, commutative law is that when we add A and plus B, it's mean when we will add matrix of A and matrix of B, the answer will same as we will add B plus A. So we can prove this one. So let's suppose a matrix of A is 2, 3, 0, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1 and 3, and the other matrix is B, 3 minus 2, 5 minus 1, 4, 1, 4, 2 minus 4. So we will prove that left hand side will equal to right hand side. So A plus B. First we will solve the left hand side. A plus B. Then write down the matrix of A first. And then write down plus sign, matrix of B. So add these two matrices. first element of the first matrix will add the first element of the second matrix, and the second element of the first matrix will add the second element of the second matrix, and so on. So 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, then 3 plus, put the bracket here, minus 2, then 0 plus 5, 5 plus, write down minus 1 in bracket, then 6 plus 4 and 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 and 3 plus minus 4. Okay, and the next 3 plus 2, 5, 3, open the bracket, plus minus, minus 2, 5, 5 plus minus, minus 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 1 plus 2, 3, and then 3 plus minus minus 4. 5, 3 minus 2, 1, 5, 5 minus 1, 4, 10, 2, 6, 3, and 3 minus 1, minus 1. This one is the left hand side. Now we will show the right hand side, and then we will check that is left hand side is equal to the right hand side or not. So the right hand side is B plus A. This means first we will write the matrix of B. And then put the plus sign, matrix of A. Okay, then 3 plus 2. Minus 2. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, minus plus minus. The sign will plus because the sign of the greater value is plus, so that's why the answer will in plus sign. 5 plus 0, 5, minus plus minus, 5 minus 1, 4. But the sign will plus because the sign of the greater value is plus sign. 4 plus 6, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. And minus plus minus, 4 minus 3, 1. And the sign will minus because the sign of the greater value is minus. So that's why the answer will in minus sign. Okay. This is the B plus A. It's mean right hand side. Okay, better look at this one. These two matrices. This one is the left hand side and this one is the right hand side. So 5, 1, 5, 4, 10, 2, 6, 3, minus 1. So it's proof that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this one is the commutative law. And commutative law is say that always the left hand side will equal to the right hand side. So prove that. It means E, when we will add E plus B, the answer will same as we will add B plus C. Prove that. Fine. Okay. Next, associative law. Associative law, I will tell you about the associative law now. Okay, in associative law is there that when we add E plus B first and then the obtained matrix will add with C, the answer will same as when we add first B plus C and then E will add in double Z. Okay, so we will prove that. Let's suppose this one is the L, we know that left hand side and this one is the right hand side. So first we will take the left hand side. Okay, first write down the matrices of A, B and C. Let's suppose the given matrix of A is 2, 3, 0, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 3 and the matrix of B is 3, minus 2, 5, minus 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, minus 4. And the matrix of C is 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 4, 2 and 0. So left hand side as is A plus B bracket plus C. Bracket means first we will solve the bracket and then the C will add in the result matrix. Fine. So first write down the bracket, small bracket, and then matrix of A is 2, 3, 0, 0, then 5, 6, 1, 2, 1 and 3. Then write down the matrix of B. Matrix of B is 3, minus 2, 5, minus 1, 4, 1, 4, 2 and minus 4. Then close the small bracket. Then write down plus sign and the matrix of C. 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 4, 1, 2 and 0. Okay, and then Okay, first we will add A plus B. Which means we will solve the bracket first. A plus B. So 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus minus 2. So 3 plus minus minus 2. The answer will just 1. 0 plus 5. 5. 5 plus minus 1. 4. 6 plus 4. 10. And then 1 plus 1. 2. 2 plus 4. 6. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus minus 3 minus 4. The answer will just minus 1. Fine. Then write down the matrix of C. 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 4, 1, 2 and 0. Five plus 1, 6, 1 plus 2, 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 4 plus minus 2. So answer will just 2. 10 plus 0, 10. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. This is the left hand side. A plus B plus C. So after this we will solve the right hand side and find out the answer. So the right hand side is A plus B plus C. So it means first we will write the matrix of A. 2, 3, 0, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1 and 3. And then plus sign, small bracket, then write down the matrix of B. 3, minus 2, 5, minus 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, minus 4. Plus sign, matrix of C. A, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and minus 2, 0, 4, 1, 2, 0. And then small bracket close. So the matrix of A will write same 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 3. And then first we will solve the brackets, means we will add these two matrices. And as we already know that how we can add two different matrices, 3 plus 1, 4, minus 2 plus 2, which means the answer will 0, minus 2 plus 2, answer will 0. 5 plus 3, 8, minus 1 plus minus 2, minus 3, 4 plus 0, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 2, 4, minus 4 plus 0, minus 4. Okay, now add these two matrices. Okay, first we remove the brackets and here. First we already solved the small bracket. Now add these two matrices. 2 plus 4. 6. 3 plus 0. 3. 0 plus 8. 8. 5 plus minus 3. 5 minus 3. The answer will be 2. And then 6 plus 4. 10. 1 plus 5. 6. 2 plus 5. 7. 1 plus 4. 5. 3 plus minus 3 minus 4 minus 1. Okay. Look at the right hand side and the left side. 6, 3, 8, 2, 10, 6, 7, 5 minus 1. It means left hand side will equal to the right hand side. So this is the associative law. And associative law has proved. So it means when we add A plus B first and then plus C, the answer will be same as first we will solve the B plus C and then plus A. Prove that. Okay, beta, after addition and subtraction, as we already done associative law and commutative law. So the next question is on question 1. They are saying that which of the following matrices are comfortable for addition. So as beta, keep in mind that we can add two different matrices if the order of that matrices will same. Fine. Let's suppose here there are some matrices A, B, C and D, E, F. So the matrices of A, let's suppose A is 2, 1, minus 1 and 3. And the matrix of B is 3 and 1. And the matrix of C is 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and the matrix of D is 2 plus 1 and 3. E is minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, as I already told you that we can add two different matrices, but the order of that matrices must be same. Find the, okay, first the matrix of A. Look at the order of matrix of A. How many rows are here? 2. And how many columns are here? 2. So it means the order of matrix of A is 2 multiplied 2. And the order of matrix of A, how many rows? 2. And how many columns? Multiply with 1. Okay, and then order of C. How many rows? 3 and then columns 2. D. How many rows are here? 2 multiply with 1. Column just 1. Here 2 multiply 2. So which matrix is comfortable for addition? So A, the order of A is 2 multiply 2 and the order of E 2 multiply 2. It means the order of these two matrices are same. So it means we can add A plus E. We cannot add A plus B because the order of these two matrices are different. Fine. We can add the two different matrices if the order of that matrices will same. So fine. And question number 2. Okay, question number 2 is if A, B, C and D, then find A plus B. So if how we can find, if they are saying that find out A plus a matrix is A1, 1, 1, 1. So how we can add? So simply we will write the matrix of A as the matrix of A is given. A matrix is, let's suppose, minus 1, 2, 2, 1. So we can solve this expression. Fine. First we will write the matrix of A minus 1, A plus 1, 1, 1, 1. So what will be the answer here? Minus 1, 2, 2, 1, plus sign, then write down the matrix of this one. 1, 1, 1, 1. Add these two matrices by addition rule. First element of the first matrix will add first element of the second matrix. Minus 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, the answer will be 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer of this expression is this one. Fine. Okay, rest all the parts you have already you can solve by own. Okay, the question number 3 is, you will do the practice of these all the questions of your own register. Question number 3, perform and indicate operation and simplify the following. Means perform, that how we can perform the, let's suppose the part A is question number 3 and part 1. Small bracket and then matrix 1 plus 1 0 0 1 and the other matrix plus 0 2 3 0, small bracket close, and then 1 1 1 0. So first we will solve the bracket. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus 3 3, 1 plus 0 1, 1 1 1 0. Then add these two matrices. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 1 plus 0 1. This is one. Okay, and the question number 4, the last question. Question number 4. For the matrices A, B and C, these are the given matrices and they are saying they are verify the following rules, that can the left hand side is equal to right hand side, it means A plus B. We will check that A plus C is equal to C plus A. So let's suppose the A matrix is, the given matrix A is 1 2 3 2 3 1 1 minus 1 0, and B matrix is 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 2 2 3 1 3, and then matrix of C is minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 3 1 1 and 2. So we will check that is the left hand side will equal to the right hand side or not. So first write down here left hand side, take the left hand side A plus C. Its mean first we will add two matrices A and C. A is A 2 3 2 3 1. So and the 3, 1, minus 1, 0, then plus sign, C matrix, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. So add these two matrices, 1 plus bracket in minus 1 because 1 have already its own sign. So write down in bracket, then 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 3 plus minus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 2. 1 minus 1. 2, 3 plus 0, 3, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 minus 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1 can be cancelled just 0, 0 plus 2, 2. And the final answer will become minus 1 plus 1, 0, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 0, 2. This one is the left hand side. Okay, now solve the right hand side. This means we will add C plus A. Then write down the matrix of A. Minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 2, 2, minus 2 plus 3, 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 plus 2, 2. Okay, check out the left hand side and right hand side. Prove that. 0, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 0, 2. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So prove it. Rest all the parts beta prove for yourself. These are the so easy questions. Then you know that how we can prove these questions. Okay, done.